welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're gonna fidget toys and squishy toys tour. Some kind of noise because my cousin is here. So let's go. I make the oh my god. So guys, I forgot, I'm gonna rate it. So first is this one. This is the first. Everything is gonna 8 over 10. 8 over 10 on this one. I love this 10 over 10.
Getting my
So
but honestly, life doesn't have to stop just because of red. Something Modest fast absorbing pad is now long. The new Modest Long has
So this is, I love this
guys.
guys.
Clinically tested,
10 out of 10.
zero skin irritation. Perfect for girlies like me who are extra sensitive down. It instantly absorbs the toxin fluid, so no acne, even in white pants. With the new Modest Long, I get to do what I
I'm gonna rate
want. Walk 20 steps.
7
All
out
day
of
and
10.
still stay worry-free even on
This
Don't let your red days hold you back.
So
Switch to
guys,
Modest Long
I'm
for
just
confidence,
beginner.
comfort,
This is so
and
ugly.
protection from day to night, even on your busiest
Ugly. But good. 10 over 10.
kinabukasan.
Choco mucho.
Naku, pasensya na kita mag-alis. Hindi ko mauuli.
It's like a fidget. I guess I'm just gonna.
Reklamo kung hindi umiyak na lang siya. Ayaw nga. Madali niyo po ba? Nakakapagsalita ko.
Sorry,
Matapos
pero-
matamaan ang result sa mukha.
7.1 out of 10.
At dahil sa pagiging
So, I have more than so let's just squish it through and then it have a star under because that's the 4-star. I'm gonna make it full. So
Hindi naman naparo yung kuya mo nun kasi babago lang
so let's this is called I write here squishy star. I don't know. Let's open it.
Sabi mo kasi lagi
This is so lame.
niya tapos never din siya nagka-utak sa klase
I
Hindi ka
have
talaga
no.
gusto ng ate. Naku,
It made a good squishy,
hindi ko
but
ibibigay ang card ng anak mo. Bakit naman?
5 out of
Tapos
10.
ng pasukan. Tama naman po kayo. Tapos
I
ng
don't know what
pasukan.
this. This is a slice of pizza or watermelon. I guess it's watermelon. So it's cute, make good squishy and 7. 7 of this one again. 1, 4 out of 10.
Kasi po, lagi niya kami pinapautang ng paninda.
Guys,
Ayun po, pinapupunta yung pera ko.
8 out of 10.
Dumadalaw kami dalawa ng ate at ito sa kanila. Pero isang
I'm
araw,
sorry, that's my cousin, guys.
Nay, nagbiyahe na.
Butter,
Abi,
this
ang
is
kapatid
good.
mo, yun kayo mapasahe niyo.
7 out of
Opo,
10.
Nay.
7 out of 10.
Sabi ko pa ng ate.
This is elemental, guys. I love elemental. So water, and I love it.
Balala.
9 out of 10. Good. It's not gonna make good squish. This is my friend just give me this, guys. 10 out of 10. So plain, make good squish and noise. So 8 out of 10. Last one, not make a good squish, but good. And guys, I love blue, guys. So 9 out of 10. This is all stars. 4 stars. That's all I have. I'm just gonna show you that video. So guys, I found this tree. It's just tree, guys. I don't know why. Look at this, guys. Good. 10 out of 10. So guys, I found this rings, fuzzy wires. This is my favorite. I love blue. And everybody knows I love heart. This one doesn't fit me and here I have one, so I'm scared. Oh, this is so good. This is so cute. I love it. 10 out of 10. This is 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10, and I don't want to say so. 9 out of 10. So guys, the tulips in there, and I love this. I'm just gonna wear it for a while. My colors is in there, but it's not a fidget or a squishy. I just love it. 1000 out of 10. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, 1 billion trillion out of 10. So guys, that's all. If you want to see my Barbie collections, I'm just gonna post it. Just like my video. That's all. This is so cute. Bye guys. Catch you out. I love you all. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the views. Wait, I'm shy. That's all. There are people watching me. Bye. Catch yourself.